Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. We're doing a daily dash. We just sat around from 8:45 until 9:30, did not get a dash. I had a dash from 9 o'clock till 9:30, and it lets you log in 15 minutes early. Didn't get anything, so I continued to sit there. I'm writing out a workout plan for my friend. It's also my ex-girlfriend. And basically now we are driving over to the Cracker Barrel because we finally got an order. So I also had a shift from 10 a.m. to 10:30, bunch of 30-minute shifts today. And it's 9:53 and it let me log in 15 minutes early as it normally does. And we got an order from Cracker Barrel, $6.50 for 3 miles. Honestly, not really a good order, but I gotta do something, you know? I personally, other than YouTube, right now do not have any sources of income that are like, I don't have any gigs coming up. I don't have any, no gigs coming up. I mean, other than shoe sales, but I don't touch that money. So, back doing some Doordash. As I said I was going to be after I made that big investment into my shoes. So now it is time to do some Doordash. So, actually pulling up right now to the Cracker Barrel. I'll be right back if we pick up this order. And then let's figure out what today's video is about. Alright, just picked up the order. Super late, honestly. A little annoyed right now. I stood in that restaurant for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. And by the time, it was probably like, I'd been there for like 15 minutes or so. The order was about, I don't know, the order should have been delivered about like 12 minutes ago or so now. Let's see. And basically I get a text message from the customer saying, hey, are you going to start driving over here soon? I need to go to work. Okay. Well, that's not my problem that you ordered DoorDash like an hour before you have to go to work, you know? Like, go get your own food. And don't order this is like a whole entire freaking gigantic order. Like, this order's huge, you know? Hopefully it pays more than $6.50. I don't know if it will, but kind of annoying getting irritated customers. Anyways, I don't know. I wonder if she can take her tip back. But it's like, come on. It's like, what am I supposed to do? I'm literally just picking up your food, you know? I get it. I could have texted you, hey, I'm still here waiting for your food. But, you know, not gonna lie, I kind of assume that if you can see that I'm still at the restaurant, you would assume that I'm still waiting for your food. Anyways, enough bitching about this rude customer. I am gonna take a quick break. Let's take a commercial break. Right, just dropped off the order. She apologized for being a little rude, she said. They have, what, looks like 8, 9, 10 Ford vehicles in their driveway. Literally 10. Like, I don't think it would be proper of me to show you all of their cars and license plates and stuff. There's literally 4 Mustangs, 4 F-150s or something. There's 1 Slug Bug. And like 2 other like Explorer, like Jesus Christ, how many freaking Fords do you need? It's a very strange house. I've never seen anything like that before. That many. But anyways, I basically wasted so much time. I've been dashing since 8:45. It is 10:30. I did 1 order for $7.50. Honestly, kind of thought that I would get, I don't know, now that I was like logged in and not many other people were logged in, I kind of thought like, yeah, I'd be getting lots of orders or something. I don't know. I guess people aren't really door dashing for breakfast. It is what it is. But anyways, did you guys know about the whole Spotify Neil Young thing and kind of spiraling into a bunch of people are pulling their music off of, hold on one sec, this is dirty lens. Just gonna keep that in the video. It'd be funny. Spotify taking down like a bunch of people have taken their music off of Spotify because of Joe Rogan. I'm like, bro, like actually I don't know. I maybe I shouldn't even say Joe Rogan because YouTube will probably censor me too. But low-key, I took down my videos the other day talking about the V and the C words and stuff, you know. Randomly, all of a sudden my video started doing well again. Didn't know it'd be that easy, but anyways, alright. I'm gonna by the outlet mall. Let's see if we can get an order. Any orders popping up? Let's see, anything available. 9 till 11:30. That's not till it's another 11 hours, so probably not gonna get anything else. I don't know. Be right back. Oh yeah, just leaving Whole Foods, making some healthy choices today, guys. Make some healthy choices for yourselves as well. Skip the McDonald's. Don't go to the fast food place. I cannot believe how unbelievably unhealthy these fast food places are, and people go to them all the time. Like, I don't know. If I eat fast food, I just feel like shit after. And I'm like, to me, it doesn't make sense. If you feel like shit and you do it one time, why are you going to do it again? Like, I don't know. I'm sitting here eating these, as I'm saying, talking about healthy eating. I'm eating these chocolate-covered almond plus sea salt. I'm not going to lie. It is 95% almond. The tiniest bit of chocolate on there. Not gonna lie, I was kind of hoping for like a dessert snack or something, and it's basically, I don't know, it's too damn healthy. Everything at Whole Foods is healthy though. It's probably a good thing though. Probably a good thing for me. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. It's kind of short. Kind of, didn't really do much, but I did do at least one Doordash. So, I've had some haters say it that I don't do any Doordash anymore and I just fake it. Guys, I legitimately, I still do the Doordash, you know? I still do it. I don't always film it, but I do it more at nighttime when I go to the gym. Like, at just about every night that I go to the gym, I do a Doordash on the way there. But it's nighttime, so I'm not going to film a video. So, anyways, that's all. I don't know why I feel like I need to justify anything to anyone. But, anyways, we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy my videos at all, please consider subscribing to the channel. And also smash that like button for more content. And what else? Go to my website, offaccessathletics.com. Use discount code. Almonds are choking me. Use the discount code OFFACCESSTANNER for 30% off. Get yourself some of the new skate shoes that will be arriving tomorrow for the team's shoes and stuff. And then I'll be marketing. So I'm actually trying to get many days ahead on the YouTube channel because I try to upload every single day for you guys. Anyways, we'll see you guys next one. Thanks for watching. Drive safe. Make that money. Peace.